Howdy, howdy, out Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos, hosted by Miranda Weber over on My Scrappy Life. And I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So for this month, I am using the Animal Cookies kit from Close to My Heart. So it has all these cute little animal themed papers. I'm almost done with it. I've almost used it all up. And I am doing the scrap lift challenge from over on my Facebook group. Every Monday there's a new scrap lift challenge, and it alternates between cards and layouts. So even if you don't do layouts, you can do the cards, and if you post your project, then you get entered for a chance to win Happy Mail at the end of the month. And I am going to take up this. I got the layout off of Pinterest, and it did not have who originally made it, so I don't know. If I remember, I'll pop it up, but it is over on the Facebook group in the featured. All of the scrap lifts are in the featured area. So, I have my photos here, and these are of my Blakey, and he still makes some of the same faces. This is when he thought he was cool, and, you know, he was like 4 years old. He was not happy in that picture, as you can tell from his face. I have some stickers. I have some enamel dots I'm going to use. I have just some little strips of paper, and then I have these that are going to be my bulk of my layout, and I cut these 1.5 by 3, and you could use all the same pattern, different patterns, whatever. I just used the little scraps from the collection. And then I found these stars in my stash, and the colors go pretty well with that collection. And then I cut apart one of the stickers from the collection. And so we are just going to build this layout. It's going to be super quick and easy. I did pull a piece of cardstock from my stash, and then I pulled this from my stash also. It's actually cardstock too. But I wanted to be able to mat it up. This one is a really old paper too. It's from the Paper Loft, which I'm sure they're probably not in business anymore, but I was just curious if it had a date on it, but it does not. Alright, so I'm just going to set up my layout here. And then all these little paper strips are just going to go down through here. Alright, so now that I have all of that glued down, I am going to put this title down here. And I cut these little pieces of the red paper so that I could create a hashtag like on the scrap lift. And then I have these little stars. These are actual stickers, and I cut them down. So I'm just going to peel the back off and pop them up on, well, I might not even peel the back off. they're not coming off super easy. So I think I'll just pop them up on foam tape and put them down. I'll probably have to glue these stickers maybe because they're really old. And then I just have these little pieces that I thought I could just add in. Like here. And over here to help bring the red in more. And then I'm going to put my train right here. I think I'll put it on foam tape also. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some enamel dots on the page. And that will be it. Alright, so there's going to be the layout. You can see I messed up when I was writing down here. So then I added a flag to cover up my boo-boo on there. But I think this turned out super cute. And he was also wearing an alligator shirt in the pictures, which there's a little alligator in with the papers. So I thought that was fun. So if you're interested in participating in the challenge, come over and join us in the Facebook group. There's always something going on. Lots of such supportive, sweet ladies over there. And there is a few questions you need to answer to join the group so that we know you're not a spammer. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspires you and that you'll come back and hang out again. Until next time, bye y'all.